Come on our team then.
Damn, it smells like ass back here.
Yep, it's this area right here.
He's like, yeah, I farted.
It smells like that for some reason. I cannot tell you why.
So where you going? Snake? Yeah. You know where I'm going.
Dorito.
Huh?
Hey, no blind fire, no blind fire.
Go here. No, like they right there. Back right! Woo! Let's go! Come on, Zach, where they at? Ah! Huh? Nah. Back left. Insert. 2 and snake. Huh?
Your balls didn't even pop on me.
Then why'd you get out?
I don't know, I didn't see. Let's game! Game over! Let's game! Game over! I ain't never, wow. I want a rematch!
You want a rematch?
Yeah!
Let's go.
She just ran up on both of them.
Really?
Yeah.
With the Tipex.
Yeah, just ran up on them. Oh my god! You're so sneaky, you know why?
He got out.
Oh my god! I didn't know I was gonna get out.
Dude, she needs to be on the team.
Off the break shooting. No. No women.
Dude, she straight up surrendered them both.
I would have shot
She
him.
was like,
I know, I saw she was like,
she's like,
hold that. Here, hold my Griffin. Put my pod back. Let's go, Devin. Come on. You want to be on the team? You want to be on the team? Come prove it.
I don't know why they didn't pop.
Come prove it. You want to be on my team? All right, I got Dorito. Take mid.
Snake.
No, you got. No, you take mid. You take mid. Get in the middle.
my snake.
Here, look. Come from this can to the temple. Get in the middle.
Wait, what's hitting bull?
Right here. This one. Here, get in the middle. You're in the middle. Let's go. Back right! Ah. No break! Woo. D1! D1! Hey. Zach, D1! 50-50! D2! I don't remember. No. Anthony.
Hey, you could have surrendered me. That hurt.
It's bunkering. I'm sorry. Take it like a champ.
I was playing the whole time.
I don't take surrenders.
I shot her in the knee.
I got F. I
Huh?
need more paint.
Yeah, the camera.
Yeah, I know.
I know, I was like, do I need a pose or something? That's when he got me. I was like, do I need a pose? Wow, pose. We going again?
No, I'm looking for my pod.
I'm gonna get more paint. I'm gonna get more paint. I need more paint.
What happened?
Dude, I was running and I didn't know he was gonna hit me and freaking like spray me down. He likes them.
Woo! That was a good game.